Say, what's that? I'm getting called out from Brad at TrailRecon?
The first one we're gonna call out is JeepSolid. What's your Jeep story, man?
Okay, Brad, yeah, I'm willing to do that. I'd love to share my Jeep story with you guys. So my story really starts back as far as I can remember. I'm clear back in high school. I always wanted a Jeep, but honestly, it was just never affordable. Then college, I grew up, got married, had kids. Just, it never fit into the budget, but I always wanted it. I'd see Jeeps driving around in the summer, the tops off, everybody having fun. I mean, it looked just great, and I wanted that. But it wasn't until like, I think I got my first Jeep, my Jeep Wrangler. It was a 94 YJ. I got that back in I got that back in 2012, my very first Jeep, finally. And my family loved it. My wife, my kids, everybody. We have so much fun in that thing. Take the top off, driving around town. One of our favorite things is doing sonic runs in the summer. It's just a good time. And taking the Jeep off-road in the mud and the snow. There's just so many fun things that we can do. So that was my very first Jeep and kind of how I got started. Actually, let's go take a look at it. So this is my 94 YJ. It's been a great vehicle for me, super reliable. I'll probably keep this thing forever. It's got an inline 6, 32-inch tires, 3.5 inches of lift. But yeah, it's just been a great, super dependable vehicle. I'm real happy with it. So then my new Wrangler that I bought has a rear main oil leak, and I need to fix that. I decided I want to do that myself. I started looking on YouTube for a video on how to do it, and I couldn't find a good video. So talking to my buddy Jason, we decided, hey, why don't we shoot a video and throw it up and see what people think. Hi, Dale here. My friend Jason and I are going to be making a video on how, sure enough, I do that, put it online, and it got a lot of positive feedback. A lot of great comments, and honestly, that was my very first video, and it's still one of my best performers, which is kind of funny. And this is what I used to make my very first video, an iPod. It's not even an iPhone. Yeah, I mean, it records in 1080, but I don't know, this is where my whole channel started. It's kind of crazy to look back and think of that. Now I've upgraded my game. I got a much better camera, better audio, better lighting. So my video quality has definitely gone up a lot. And then the Jeep community is just a lot of fun. Having all these friends, connections, going wheeling with people, connecting with people all around the States and actually all around the world even. I love doing these projects, how-to videos, review videos, those kinds of things, and sharing them with everybody and getting all the feedback and just helping each other out. That's what it's all about. I just love that. Oh, and my shop cat. And this is Tootsie, the shop cat. She likes to hang out in the shop and check out what I'm doing. She gets involved. You've probably seen her in some videos. But super good cat, super friendly. She just likes to hang out and see what's going on. So over the years, I've actually had quite a few different Jeeps, and most recently a Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Oh, hey, what are you doing?
I'm trying to record a video here for my audience about your Jeep life.
I don't have a Jeep life.
Well, you kind of do because you're on my channel.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So I was talking about the Jeep Grand Cherokee that we did. This is my buddy Jason.
Hey, how's he doing? How's it going?
He's actually been a big part of a lot of videos. If you watch any of my old stuff, he'll definitely be in there. And he's been a lot of help with editing videos, that kind of stuff. So I do have to offer a big thanks to Jason. So I was just telling them about the Grand Cherokee. We did a transfer case swap on that. New drive shaft.
Yeah, drive shaft, transfer case swap.
Brake booster. Transmission line,
the coolers.
Rear main oil seal.
Yeah, rear main oil seal.
Yeah. We did a lot to that vehicle. But now I've got my next project, Project 92 YJ, that I'm doing a complete rebuild on. I just took the engine out. That video will be coming up soon. But I plan on taking this thing clear down to the frame, painting it, just doing an entire rebuild on it. Let's take a look at it real quick. Just took the engine out. Actually don't even have it on the engine stand yet. That'll be coming, another video soon. But yeah, I'm gonna be just doing a complete rebuild on this thing, taking it all the way down to the frame. It'll be a lot of fun, a lot of hours in the garage, but also a lot of videos. It's one of the things I really enjoy is just hanging out in the shop, tinkering with things, working on the Jeep. It's part of my life. So Brad, thanks a lot. I really appreciate you calling me out on this Tell Me About Your Jeep Life video. It was a lot of fun making this. I appreciate that. I would also like to call out 3 YouTube channels for this What's Your Jeep Story Challenge. I would like to call out Off-Road and Chill, Redneck Garage, and Power Addicts at FixedJeeps.com. You 3, what's your Jeep story? Thanks for watching. Have a good day.